Hey everybody, Mike here. This is one of those tools that I've got that's tucked way back in the corner of my garage that doesn't come out very often. That day finally came, so I rifled through my garage, drug this out of the corner. I had a flat tire on my dump trailer, and so instead of dragging my floor jack out there to get that fixed this time, I figured it's a great opportunity to get this thing out, show you guys how this works, give you some thoughts on it. So this is made by High Lift. It goes by several names: farm jack, bumper jack. You've probably heard a few different terms over the years. This thing really kind of has a multitude of different uses. It's 4 feet in height, and essentially if you've never seen how one of these work, you've got this lever here which dictates whether this jack goes up or down. Right now it's in the down position. So if I flip that up, now this jack will ratchet up one hole at a time, like so, until you get to the desired place you need to be, and then you can just lock that handle back in place. Now keep in mind, when you're using a jack like this, there's always a little bit of level danger that goes along with something like this. For this one, the main thing is just it kicking out from underneath you if it gets too wobbly. It's not as stable as some of the other jack models that are out there, but this thing makes up for it in the height that's able to jack and just how versatile and easy it is to carry. It's just under 30 pounds. While it is somewhat beefy and heavier, it's not going to be near as heavy as some of your floor jacks that are on the market. It's more so just one of those it might be the right tool for depending on the situation or application you're putting yourself into. You could also take this little foot here and put it, let's just say if you had a fence post you need to pull, you could screw a sacrificial board to the side of that fence post and then run this under that board and lift that fence post out of the ground. A lot of guys, especially in like the Jeep and off-roading communities, will run these as a recovery hoist as well, sideways. So you can pick up different accessories and attachments to attach to this, and it will essentially get you pulled out of the mud or whatever situation you've got yourself into, as long as you got the appropriate recovery straps or chains needed to do the task as well. But I've owned this thing for probably close to 10 years now. This particular model's been out for way longer than that. I'm thinking probably close to 20 if I had to guess. So this particular one I've owned for close to a decade. It's been a tool I don't use a ton, but a tool that's got me out of a lot of jams, depending on certain situations I've put myself in over the years. Depending on why you're watching this video and what application you're in, whether it be farm, off-road community, or just wanting a good strong jack at the house, check out this one made by High Lift. It's incredibly strong. It's worked great for me over the years. I've used it dozens of times. It's one of the tools that I know I can always rely on when I go to grab it out of the corner. That's all I've got for you today, guys. I appreciate you watching this one. Y'all have a good one.